My favorite exercise ever right here, shadow boxing. Here's what I want to tell you watching this. Shadow boxing does not have to be difficult. I'm not Mike Tyson in his prime or Floyd Mayweather. We're not working on the exact style of boxing. As long as you're doing it in a safe way, shadow boxing and just throwing punch after punch after punch can engage your entire upper body all at once. I promise you, I've competed, been Mr. Pittsburgh, done everything physique events on stage. Shadow boxing, I still will tell you, is the main reason I did so well. This got me in the best shape and absolutely helped tone my entire upper body. I'll tell you this, when you're throwing straight punches, that typically engages more of your shoulders, a little bit of your back, and your arms. When you throw a hook, I love to throw the hook for my chest and my core, your chest and your core, because throwing a hook engages the shoulders, also the whole upper body, but it focuses on your pectoral muscles, and it helps engage your chest as well as those abs. And an uppercut can help your back. Whenever you throw uppercut after uppercut, keep your back flexed. Keep those lats flexed back here, and that will really help you get the full benefits of shadow boxing. Because if you just throw punches and don't think about it, you won't get the full benefits. But throwing punch after punch and thinking about different parts of your body that you're engaging, especially your core, keep your core tight the whole time. It will magnify the exercise and help you get the most benefit in the shortest amount of time. Especially, I know a lot of you at home, you don't have a ton of time, right? So we have to make the most of it. Think about that as you shadow box and throw punch after punch after punch. Keep your upper body flexed, core tight, and think about what you're working on. It is still my favorite exercise ever right there, shadow boxing.